Hi guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. It's time to prepare our Christmas cards again, guys. And this entire week I am posting a Christmas card video every day. So 5 days of this week I am going to share with you a number of Christmas cards that I created, mostly to share some inspiration with you guys, because sometimes maybe you get tired of thinking of your own Christmas cards and maybe you want to create a lot, or perhaps you are in the fortunate position that someone has asked you to create some cards for them. So I am using several collections, of course. So this week you will be seeing several collections, but this day, the first day, I am sharing this one card with you because this to me is sort of a showstopper piece especially in comparison with the others that I did. The others are more simple, and because I created them in sort of a bulk, and this is a single individual unique card, so I went a bit more luxurious with all the decorations. So I wanted to share this with you as an individual card. Now, what did I do? I used Bo Bunny's Altitude paper. This is a somewhat older collection of theirs with beautiful purples and wood grains and these muted colors, and I love it. Now, what you see in the front here, I used one. Well, Bo Bunny also always has these cut apart sheets with 6 by 6 inch cut aparts. So that's 4 in one 12 by 12 inch sheet, and I find them ideal for cards because they already have a great pattern. So this semi-layering here is actually part of the paper's pattern. And same goes for this snowman. So this is a great base for any of your cards if you are using any Bo Bunny collection. And I did embellish. I used a metal corner here, a Prima bling here, and this is a great film strip. Now this is actually part of the Altitude collection. So it has the same color theme and it has some sentiments, and it's an actual sort of a negative, but it's meant to adhere to your project. So they are calling it a film sticker. And then I added a little bow here. I also added a large Prima flower here. This is one of Prima Marketing's collections by Frank Garcia, one of his Christmas collections. A Bo Bunny Altitude button here, and this is an I Am Roses, I think, tea rose. And then these are 4 layered chipboard stickers that also come with the collection. And I made a sort of a banner with those. So yeah, so this is a great front, also thanks to the paper itself. And the inside, again, I used one of Bo Bunny's 6 by 6 inch kind of parts because it already had a perfect journaling spot here. So I can write my personal message here. This is a Tim Holtz die, one of his latest, and I'll put the name below. And I die cut that from cardstock actually, and then I used some Prima Marketing wax to give it this metal effect. It's great, right? And here is a die cut that I created with a Mariana Design die. So sort of a road sign. And I was thinking I could use some white ink to stamp maybe a sentiment here, but I haven't decided to whom I'm going to send it. So I will have to decide on the language because it could go to someone Dutch or maybe to someone internationally, so English or German. So I haven't decided that yet, but I will probably stamp something in white ink here. Now for the back, this is simply one of the gorgeous papers of the collection. Great purplish wood grain. And I embossed that, as you can see, with some snow crystals all over to give it just that extra wow factor. So yeah, so this is the first card that I wanted to share with you all. And I will see you tomorrow for the next bunch of 10 Christmas cards. And yeah, I hope you like this design. I hope you feel inspired, and I hope you are looking forward to the next 4 days of Christmas card inspirations for you guys. So I hope you like this design. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.